Today we are talking about Gila monster venom. So first off, this lizard is venomous, and its venom comes pretty close to the toxicity of a western diamondback rattlesnake. But first, let's talk about the bite. So first off, Gila monsters don't just bite and release. They're known to bite and chew their venom into a bite. And in some cases, they can actually hold on for as long as 10 minutes. If you're bitten by a Gila monster, you can expect the following to happen to you at some point: swelling, intense pain, vomiting, dizziness, weakness, rapid heartbeat, low blood pressure, and quite possibly internal bleeding. Like most venomous animals, they would prefer not to bite you. Needless to say, they can and do bite, especially if messed with. It is important that you don't mess with them. They don't want to be messed with. Leave them alone, give them space, and you'll be okay. When they bite, they have grooves in their teeth, and when they release the venom, that venom is then chewed into you. And they don't want to let go, so be prepared for that. The first thing you want to do is get that lizard to the ground. Then you want to get something to pry open the mouth. And you want to get help immediately. Don't wait. Keep pets and children away from these lizards. Now, scientists are taking one toxin at a time and examining it for possible drug use. Gila monster venom is being used to treat type 2 diabetes. In fact, there is already one drug already that is out there, at least one that's based on their venom. So pretty cool. That drug is called Byetta, Byetta. So pretty cool. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.